Just wanted to start off by showing you this is what I'm wearing on the way to my shoot today, because I'm very used to having to walk around the park and the uneven surfaces around random strangers in very uncomfortable clothes and high heels, and that's not happening today. I'm being smart. So I've got my comfy pants on. I've got my very, very old sneakers that I need new ones of so bad. So hopefully I'll be a little bit more comfy on my way there. Hey guys, welcome to my new video. This is being filmed on Saturday and going up on Sunday, so you know, my usual nonsense. But yeah, you just saw a little sneak peek of today's cosplay. Sorry I was running late, so I didn't get a chance to do like a get ready with me. So this is just gonna be a little shoot vlog. And then tonight we are gonna shoot the less safe for work version too. We did Raven like last week and we're doing Starfire this week, so themed for next month's Patreon, as you can tell. And then I do have one more Starfire cosplay too that I'm really excited about, but we're not gonna have time to shoot both today, so we're just shooting this one today and then we'll shoot the other one probably next month. But yeah, I'm really excited. I've wanted to cosplay Starfire for so long. I'm so bummed because I thought I had like these bright green contacts, and I guess I must have gotten rid of them because I can't find them anywhere. So I'm a little bit sad about that, but I'll have them for the next cosplay of her that I do. And yeah, I'm running late, so I gotta go to the shoot now. It's officially time to change into the actual cosplay. Goodbye sneakers. Goodbye pants that are keeping me warm. So these are like boot covers, so the shoes go under and then they go like around them. And then I'm gonna slip and slide all night. And gloves. And I kept my nails pink because I think Starfire would have pink nails. Maybe not this version of her, but the Teen Titans Cartoon Network version, she would.
I could see this through. I could wait another night. One more night, one more night. I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh, if I wait till the summer, oh. But if I wait till the summer, oh, I know we will be better, oh. I can leave the truth, shut the blinds I could deny. One more night, one more night. I want a bliss to fool everyone that it's alright. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh, if I wait till the summer, oh. But if I wait till the summer, oh, I know we will be better, oh, oh. If I wait till the summer, I know we will be better, Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh,
expected. It's getting a little bit too dark for us to shoot now, but we are gonna go back to my place in a little bit. I'm just waiting for the sun to go down a little bit more so that it's not in my eyes when I'm driving. And yeah, we're gonna go back and shoot the Patreon version of this. And then soon we will shoot the other version of Starfire, the like Teen Titans version that we all know and love. I mean, not the Teen Titans, this is obviously a Teen Titans version. The Teen Titans cartoon on the Cartoon Network version. The version that everyone knows much better than this one. We're not doing the Teen Titans Go version. Very similar, but 2 different wigs. So yeah, lots of exciting stuff coming. As I said, have been wanting to do this cosplay for so long. So I'm so glad that I finally have the chance today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment. Please subscribe if you want to. If you want to see more of me, I have like all the social medias. You can follow me literally everywhere. I also have Patreon, OnlyFans. I have like 2 Instagrams, Twitter, TikTok. Like, follow me anywhere. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
It'll be a real golden hour because you're gonna be orange.
So you'll have less editing.
Yeah, natural orange.
I was thinking about self-tanning, but then I was like, I can't show up at work and like in life. Be like, hey guys.
No. They'd be like, what happened? You did that on purpose?
I was like, because I was in Ulta today buying that tape, that was supposed to help these things stay up. And I wanted to walk up to the lady and be like, hey, how do I turn orange for like a day?